Do it again. Real slow and easy.
She's not used to it yet.
Nope.
Good girl. Tickled her foot.
Get her to walk forward.
Come here. No, you're good. Come on.
Don't pull her by that. Pull her by the front part. Look right here. See that? That hurts.
Come on.
Whoa.
You're such a good girl. Yes. Oh, yes. You're such a good girl.
Brianna, go get her a little piece of hay.
You're such a good girl. Oh, yes. Yeah. Come on, stop pulling back. It's okay. You're a big, strong girl. You should be able to hold your foot up.
You're going to pull her forward again.
Here.
Hold it for her.
Stay in one place, Brianna, so I can get Now that she has the food, she's putting her foot very strong down. Mama, the things on her eyes are gone. They're over here. Wow. Wow. Emily? It's okay.
La la la. Give
This
me
is
a
Emily's
hug.
first time trying to get
Second
time trying to get her feet done. I'm trying really hard, but she keeps on like letting me and then dropping her foot.
Smell something? Smell something bad?
Yeah, you smell like death.
Come
No, I
here.
don't.
Come here.
The front.
Come on. Okay, well. No, you're such a good girl.
Bella. I don't remember naming her Bella. Did she do good on the first time?
When she was little, she didn't know.
So she just lifted her foot out?
Mm-hmm.
But she's getting older and she knows what she's doing.
All right, let's stop it.